In July 2024, the ITB team had an amazing time in Galway for our Erasmus Plus Day. We took a course on active teaching methods and CLIL at the University of Galway, where we met awesome educators. We worked together on fun group activities, shared ideas, and learned a ton. We also got to explore the breathtaking cliffs of Moher and enjoyed dinners with our new friends. At the end, we received our diplomas to celebrate our achievements. This experience really boosted our teaching skills and gave us great insights into different cultures.